Hello and welcome to another video of Digital Marketing Learning course. I have brought to you 4 simple basic tips for those people who are struggling to get more business. These four tips are for the agencies who are small in size and don't have that much budget to spend on digital marketing or SEO. So if you follow these 4 simple steps, then you can gain more customers and you can increase your ranking in Google search results. My first tip for you is that also use plain text. This is the first step to grow your business. Like if you are using simple text, like if you know your business, if you know your customers, they will understand only simple and plain text. Like don't use any tricky words, don't use any technical language in your homepage or in your website, because if your customers are not getting what you are trying to sell them, if they are not getting what you are trying to sell, what is your product, if they are not getting, then they will leave your website. So always use plain text. That will help you to gain and grow your business. The second thing is that you always use, the second thing is alt text, like the tag you are using in your homepage. Like the keywords are the most important thing for SERPs, like search engine results page. If your website is not like ranking on the first page, then there is a problem. Like the keywords and the tags you are using in your alt text, there would be a big problem, because if the search engines are not getting, like if they are not relevant to your homepage, if they are not relevant to your product, then you can lose your business, then you can lose your customers. So always try to use the relevant and the plain text to make your business to the search engines and also for the customers. If, like, suppose if your customer are searching any term, like for example, if you are selling mobile, then obviously you will have to be specified that the what cell phone you are selling, like it is Apple, it is Samsung, it is like any brand. Also you have to be specified that what model you are selling. These all things are interconnected. If you are using the right keyword for your product, then you will get more and more business, get more and more customers. The third thing is put the right stuff on your homepage. The first impression is the last impression. If your customers are going on your first page or your homepage or on your landing page, then if they get the impression that they are not getting what they are looking into, then they will leave your website. So always keep in your mind that the first page or the home page your website is have the complete information of your website. Also use interlinks for your website, like the call to action and also the contact us page or the contact page on your first page. Always try to use this strategy that the customers don't go away, they always get what they are searching for, and also they don't leave your page. There should be interlink between your pages in your first page and also the contact page, and also the call to action should be there so they can like get you more easily. So the last point for you is that don't look for a search engine, always look for your customers, because you understand your business is, and also you must understand the psyche of the customers. If you understand the psyche of the customer, if you understand the psyche of your users, then you will get more and more customers, then you will get more and more visitors to your website, to your product, to your business. So you will gain more and more business. I hope you like my video, and if you have any question, put the right query in the comment below and I will answer your question. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you in next video.